How to Invest for Teenagers, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Penny, and I'm here to make you smarter with your money. Are you a teenager who just realized that the $10 you found in your jeans pocket isn't going to make you rich? Or maybe you're tired of hearing adults say, start early while you wonder what the heck to start. I want to be rich one day, but I have no clue where to start. If you said yes, stick around. Because today, I'm breaking down how you, as a teenager, can start investing smart, early, and right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started, what to invest in, and the mistakes to avoid. Well, grab your snack, because today, I'm going to show you how to invest as a teen, without falling asleep or needing a finance degree. And I promise, zero boring graphs. Okay, quick challenge. Would you rather buy one Starbucks drink every day for a year, or invest that coffee money and have over $100,000 by the time you're 40? So here's the secret sauce. When you start investing as a teen, time is your BFF. It's like planting a money tree that grows while you're binge-watching Netflix or stressing over exams. Imagine you're 15 and you invest just $20 a week. That's like skipping 2 takeout orders or 1 t-shirt. If you invest that money into the stock market, and it grows at an average of 8% per year, which is historically what the stock market returns over the long run, and by the time you're 50, you'd have around $250,000. Now, if you wait until you're 30 to start, you'd need to invest twice as much each week to reach the same goal. You'll have to save double to catch up. Ouch. That's called compound interest, aka. The reason why starting young is a money cheat code. Your money earns money, and that money earns more money. How to start investing. Alright, so you're convinced, but you're like, I can't even vote yet. How do I buy stocks? Good news, you can invest through a custodial account. That's where your parent or guardian helps set it up, and you co-own it. Once you turn 18, or 21 in some places, the account becomes fully yours. If you're earning your own money, like from a part-time job, you can open a custodial Roth IRA. Yes, you can start saving for retirement as a teen, and trust me, future you will want to high-five you for this. Where should you invest your money? Now the fun part, what do you actually buy? Index funds and ETFs. Think of them like buying a whole basket of stocks instead of betting on one. Less risky, and it grows with the economy. Think of these as buying the entire market instead of betting on one company. Like buying a slice of every pizza at the party instead of just one. For example, the S&P 500 ETF. That means you own tiny pieces of the 500 biggest companies in the US. Less risky than betting on just one company. Individual stocks. Okay, I get it. You love Apple, Nike, or whatever company makes your favorite game. You can buy a few shares, just don't go YOLO your entire allowance on meme stocks. Scenario: imagine you invest $100 in Nike at 15%. By the time you're 25, that could be $250 plus if Nike keeps crushing it, and you look stylish doing it. Real estate investment trusts. Yes, you can own a piece of real estate without buying a house. These let you invest in properties and earn rent money, kinda like being a mini landlord. Crypto. Honestly, as a teen starting out, focus on stocks and funds. Crypto is fun, but super risky. If you want to play with it, use a tiny portion of your money. Tips to stay smart. Hot tips so you don't get wrecked. Start small. Investing isn't about flexing, it's about consistency. Don't panic. When the market dips, don't sell. That's like quitting the game because you lost one round. Set it and forget it. Auto investing equals stress-free wealth building. And always remember, no get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises to double your money overnight, run. Mistakes teens make and how to avoid them. Let's keep it real. Investing has risks, but you can dodge the big mistakes. Don't panic sell. The market goes up and down. Don't freak out when it dips. That's normal. Think long term. Don't chase hype. If everyone's suddenly buying one stock or crypto because it's going to the moon, that's when you should pause. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, index funds and ETFs are your friends. Do set up auto-investing. Apps can invest for you every week or month. You don't even have to think about it. Do learn continuously. Watch videos like this one, read, and grow your knowledge. Action steps. Alright, here's what I want you to do. 1. Talk to your parents or guardian about setting up a custodial account. 2. Set a goal. Even $10 a week adds up. 3. Pick an ETF or index fund to start with. 4. Set it on autopilot and let compound interest work its magic. And remember, investing is like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the bigger it grows. Just don't dig it up every time you're curious about how it's doing. What's the first company or fund you want to invest in? If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your investment journey.